going to show you how to put a ladder clamp up. That's what it looks like. Okay, just a bit, you might be able to see what's going on. Right, first thing you do is you put your main ladder against the wall below the guttering. Got that? So he's below the guttering. And you put the ladder and you do up those gutter bolts. It's just pinching the ladder, just pinching the clamp. Don't go up too tight, otherwise you'll break it. All it's supposed to do is to stop the clamp slipping on the guttering. Once you've done them tight, do the ladder bolt, otherwise you won't get your ladder in there. It's designed to be long so that it does lots of different widths of ladder. So once you've got it set for your ladder, you probably won't have to move it again. That's it. There you go, down the ladder now. And you reset your ladder. The top of it is inside your clamp. So you get the styles in between the clamps like that. So one side's inside, the other side's that side of the bolt. And then you're ready to go. So if you climb up the ladder again, Sam. See, it's stopping the gutter from being deflected. It also stops the ladder from moving side to side. And then do your ladder bolt just tight enough to stop the ladder moving, no tighter. And that's it like that. And that's how you do it. And to take it down is the reverse of putting it up.